If your pool chlorinator is clogged or dirty, it's seriously messing with how clean and clear your water stays, so you gotta fix that fast. So first, turn off your pool pump and power to the chlorinator before you do anything. Safety first, you know? Then, pop open the chlorinator cell cover and check inside. If you see gunk or scale buildup, grab some muriatic acid or a specialized pool cell cleaner. Just be sure to follow the instructions carefully because that stuff is strong. Let the chlorinator cell soak in the solution for like 10 to 15 minutes, but don't leave it too long because it can damage the cell. After soaking, rinse everything thoroughly with a garden hose to flush out all the residue. While you're at it, inspect the cell for any cracks or damage. If it looks busted, you might need a replacement. Clean your chlorinator every few months during pool season to avoid buildup and keep chlorine levels steady. And if you're noticing your chlorine levels dropping fast or algae popping up, it's probably time for another clean. One of the biggest problems with a clogged pool chlorinator cell is scale buildup, which blocks chlorine production and makes your water cloudy. Fix that by regular acid soaking. Another common issue is forgetting to turn off the power before cleaning, which is super dangerous and can fry your equipment, so always double-check powers off first. Lastly, ignoring worn-out or damaged cells can cause poor chlorine output. If yours looks cracked or corroded, replace it rather than trying to patch it up. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to pool maintenance and repairs. It also hooks up contractors with steady work from people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win all around.